Hi, in this video, we will talk about EPF registration. Employees Provident Fund Organization is a statutory body under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, which has been established by an Act of Parliament.
The Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1952 applies to the factories engaged in industries specified in Schedule 1 of the Act or to other establishments notified and engaging 20 or more employees.
The advantages of EPF registration are: avoid penalty. If an employer does not get PF registration or tries to escape PF payment, he will have to pay a penalty of 5,000 rupees or he may face imprisonment up to 1 year. Cover risk. The most primary advantage of the EPF registration is that you can cover the monetary risks of your employees along with their dependents that might occur owing to untimely death, retirement, etc. Welfare of the society. The business uses the resources of the society by contributing to the welfare of the employees. Pension cover. Employee contributes 12% of his salary towards EPF, and the employer contributes the same amount, through which the member will receive monthly pension. There are 3 types of plans for EPF registration: basic, composite, and master. If you want to only register for EPF, choose the basic plan. If you want to register for EPF and ESI, choose the composite plan. And if you want to register for EPF, ESI, along with payroll management, you can choose the master plan. At Super CA, we provide you convenient platform to register for EPF registration by doing the following steps. Choose the plan, log into our self-help portal, click on Continue, fill in the basic detail of the constitutions and upload partnership deed in case of partnership firm and article of incorporation in case of private limited company. Fill in the basic details of partner and upload PAN card and Aadhaar card. Fill in the basic detail of the business and upload address proof of the business and click on Pay Now. Once we receive the payment, you can check your EPF registration status under My Service tab. The documents required for EPF registration are partnership deed or article of incorporation, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and address proof of the business. If you have any query, please contact us on 8000 900 68 or you can email us at contact@superca.in.